cinema-quality entertainment that goes wherever you do. The Samsung Galaxy S, that's the wonder of Samsung.
Truly Vivid by Super AMOLED Plus. Samsung Galaxy S2.
What if it was simple to send what you're watching on your phone to a TV screen? What if you could take a picture and your phone already knew who to share it with? What if you could easily collect group photos from your friends at a party? And what if you had the ability to share videos, files, photos, information, everything that's important to you with just one touch? Now you can. The Samsung Galaxy S3. The next big thing is here.
Hey guys.
Hey Scott.
Great graduation party, sweetie.
What are you doing?
I'm taking a picture of these ribs with my new GS4. Have a smell.
I smelled the ribs.
Come on, you
don't be a wuss.
Do it, do it, do it, do it.
These ribs are insane. Hello?
Yo, Scott, what's up, man?
You gotta be kidding me. That's how you answer it?
Yeah, please.
Bring it in.
Okay. Oh, good. Thank you.
Thanks, buddy.
You want it?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Here, I want to share. Can I share too? No, yours doesn't do that.
Wow, got the whole flop in one picture. Hey, you nailed it.
I nailed something. So some smartphones are smarter than other smartphones.
Exactly.
What are we doing with these phones?
Call your phone with my phone. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Ooh, Tiffany texted.
Oh, I got it.
That was awesome. What'd she say?
She's wondering if we'll stay long.
No.
Hey, what else does it do?
Look inside.
You can control a TV with that thing?
Yeah, it recommends shows too.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna like this.
Do it again. 2013!
Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S4. The next big thing is here.
There they are.
Hey.
Clustered around power outlets, near the recycling bins.
Did you jiggle it?
Stained carpeting and bathrooms. Tethered to the wall.
Oh, come on.
Denied the freedom to enjoy even the most basic things. Like grabbing a drink, or sharing a laugh with your coworkers, or sitting with someone you know.
Says the new iPhone's coming out soon.
Hope it has a better battery.
Totally.
You're stuck here until your battery says so.
Really?
After all that time.
I gotta plug in.
You come in? Actually, I'm okay.
Are you changing your battery?
Yep.
Is that the new Samsung?
Yep. Have a good one, man.
Don't be a wall hugger.
Sorry.
Get ultra power saving mode and interchangeable battery on the Samsung Galaxy S5. The next big thing is here.
Today, we're not just launching our new phone. We're launching a new way of thinking about what a phone can do. A phone that makes you rethink the phone. Introducing Samsung Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge. We spend more time with our phones than ever, and yet they're not designed to be held comfortably. But now, with the elegant back curve of the S7 and the streamlined front and back of the S7 Edge, both nestle perfectly into the palm of your hand. They feel smaller and thinner with smoother edges and sleeker lines, but the screen size is still the way you like it. Big and immersive. A true marvel of engineering. It's as beautiful to look at as it is to use. We've also redesigned the S7 with memory that expands, because we know you love file-hungry movies, music, and games. Here's the Vulkan API for the most realistic mobile gaming possible. 4 gigabytes of RAM to keep all your tabs open. And a longer lasting battery to keep you going all day and beyond. Our phones go everywhere with us, except in water. Well, until now. Even in the rain, the shower, or the pool. Open up a new world to use it in. The S7 has a phone camera that uses the technology found in professional cameras. 100% of the pixels are used to focus, and every single one works just like our 2 eyes, which means you have autofocus in a split second. And you can shoot in the dark and own the night, because some of our most precious memories happen in the dark. Not only can you leave your camera at home, leave your wallet too. Samsung Pay is safe, simple, and accepted virtually anywhere you can swipe or tap your card. So travel light, and with Knox Security, worry-free. The new S7 redefines how you can use a phone. But what really breaks the boundaries of what a phone can do is a completely new way to share memories. Now you can record your life with the 360 camera, preview it on your phone, and then simply load it into your VR headset. Imagine, this simple 5-inch phone is now your personal 360 cinema screen. You define the possibilities, and we'll redefine the phone. Samsung Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge. Rethink what a phone can do.
We live our lives through our phones. They're now our screens of choice to enjoy everything from TV shows to mind-blowing games. But smartphones still look the same as they did a decade ago. Buttons, bezels, and frames that all get in our way. Until now. Unbox your phone. Samsung Galaxy S8. The new Infinity display gives you an incredible full-screen experience, yet fits comfortably in your hand. We created it by reorganizing the phone's interior, making components smaller without sacrificing performance, and embedding the home button under the screen. We created the beautifully curved edge display and also erased the bezels to give you more space for the things that matter, creating a level of immersion you see and feel. Even games and movies are completely different with the Infinity display's cinematic full-screen experience. And a bigger screen gives you the room to multitask seamlessly. The Galaxy S8 also presents a whole new way to interact with your phone, like Bixby. Bixby evolves as it learns your routine, so you'll have the right content just when you need it. We constantly push ourselves to give you technology that makes your life easier. The ability to unlock your phone with one finger, or even with your face, and secure your most important files with your eyes. Samsung DeX provides you a PC-like experience right from your phone. The camera is even better. It always focuses on your face, so you get perfect selfies every time. It also takes sharp, beautiful pictures in low light, and now it's even easier to zoom in. And of course, the Galaxy S8 is still water resistant, so water doesn't get in the way of your day. The new Galaxy S8 connects you to a new world of experiences. The new Gear VR has a motion-sensing wireless controller that makes navigating your virtual world simpler and more intuitive.
Ready? Yeah, I'm ready. You ready?
And paired with the new Gear 360, the Galaxy S8 lets you live broadcast in 360, so you can share your most memorable moments in real time. The Galaxy S8 will take you beyond the limits of any phone you've ever known before. Unbox your phone. Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus.
Don't bring that back. If you got money in your pocket, it don't mean nothing if you ain't where it is.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Are you ready? Get ready, no. Get ready. Ready? Set. Jump to the rhythm as hard as you can go. Steady, to the letter, right? Turn it up. We giving the show. But can you rock it like rocket? What you talking about? Space out your mind.
Hey.
Hey.
What'd I miss?